Hello everyone, welcome to part 56 of Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So in this part we are going to display new Ravel and bestseller products at the home page dynamically. Okay, you can see uh, here at the home page that we are showing the top trending products, and here we are showing the old products, then new Ravels, then bestsellers, discounted and features. So we are going to work on the new Ravels as well as the bestsellers. These two we are going to make dynamic in this part. Okay, so but before that there is one issue, again one issue. See, we are going to make our Laravel 11 e-commerce series error free. So whatever, if you feel that some issue is coming, you can just comment me in video description so that we can able to resolve. But if the issue is at your end, then I will prefer that you will join as a member and get the source code so that you can resolve the issue at your end. And for joining as a member, just you are required to open this stack developer YouTube channel, and you can simply join as a member. There will be the join link, okay, to join the channel. Okay, I'm going to open in Ignito window just to show you that from where you can able to join the channel after paying small fees. Okay, so that you can able to get the original source code, and we will make sure that we will resolve all the issues if we will identify that. Okay, so you can simply join from here, and always subscribe the channel to get updates, to get the notifications of the updates. Okay, so that you will not miss any important thing. Okay, so let's come back to our see, first we are going to resolve one issue. So there is one issue that we face if we will update the product. Okay, if we will update the product, while updating the product we face in the issue in the category discount, and as well as we face issue while editing the product attribute as well. So we are going to modify our code a bit, and I'm going to open here the product controller, and here I will open that add edit product function. And first thing that we are going to modify this product discount and category discount related code. This part we are going to update. Okay, so let's move down and we are going to see uh, from where we are managing this one. Okay, so this complete code we are going to update here. Okay, so that we will add the condition. Actually, we update this condition, we will add this condition here, like the category discount. If the category discount is coming, then we are going to make that, like we are going to update the discount type as category, and we will just calculate the final price. Okay, and but if the category discount is not there, then we will just discount type as simply we will not give any value to the discount type, and final price is the main product price. Okay, that we are going to just add it like this. So this is the chain that we have done, and one more chain that we are required to do, edit product attributes. So let's go down, and here you can see the add product attribute, and here you can see the edit product attribute. So just simply add one code, just add the if condition before that. So if we are working on the add product attribute, if we are adding the product for the first time, so that this condition will not come will not run at that time, and will not create any issue. Okay, so this condition just we able to add, or you can just copy paste it, this one. Okay, so now this issue has been resolved. Now we can able to update the product without any error. See, earlier there was some error that was coming. See, you can able to update the product. Okay, see, like now the brands are mandatory. Earlier this one we have not added, so we can able to update the brands. Okay, so and make sure that you can able to update the brands. Okay, because brand is mandatory, so you need to update, otherwise it will show issue. Okay, so make sure that all important fields that we able to update, and also we must update the attributes later on. Okay, because when we will work on the detail page, we want to show the attributes as well. So now it has been done. Now we can move further, and we can make our top trending products dynamic. First we are going to work on the new Ravel and bestseller. So let's follow the instruction. first we are going to work on the new Ravel products, and we are going to show the last four products in the new Ravel. Okay, and for the bestseller, we will just show the bestseller products marked by the admin. We will show as the bestseller, but later on in the series, when we will finish the order placement process, then we will show the best seller products are based on the maximum number of orders. Like if some particular product is having the maximum number of orders, that we are going to show at the top of the bestseller. Okay, so but right now we will just show the bestseller products that are just simply marked in the admin panel. Okay, in this add edit product section, we will, like we have the feature product, we will have the bestseller product as well. He can simply mark that to show it at the front end. Okay, so but first we will work on the new products, and we are going to show the last four products as new, last added four products. Okay, so let's come back to the instructions once again. And here first we are going to update the index function at the index controller. And now this one we can close as we have already worked. So we are going to update the index function. We will get new products. This is the query that to get the new products. Okay, here also we can add some commands like get home page slider banners. After that we can give some space, then get home page fix banners, and then give some space, and then new products. Okay, and these new products we will send here like this. Okay, so return to the index blade file. Now we are going to open the index blade file. Okay, and now we are going to yeah, but before that we will create the brand relation as well. Every product belongs to the brand. Okay, so we are going to open the product model here, and we'll create this relation here. Okay, and we will create this relation. This is also essential, like we have added the relation of the category. Here we will also add the relation of the brand as well. Okay, every product belongs to some brand, so that we are going to associate with the brand ID. And one more thing we are going to give here, it will get connected with the underscore ID, that is the product ID. Okay, so that thing also we can add here to connect this brand ID with the underscore ID, and that is the product ID. Okay, so this will get connected. Okay, so after this one further we are going to update index function once again. See what we have done so far. I'm going to show you here, like this is the earlier function where we have not added the brand. I'm going to show its array to you. Here the earlier array will look like this. Okay, so we are going to add the product model. We have not added so far. Here we are going to add the product model. So here is, once again there is some issue. Order direction must be ascending or descending. We need to see that what issue we are facing exactly. So I think we can put here in small and then check. Okay, so we need to put it in small, so that is the issue. Okay, so now we can see that these products are coming with the complete details of product. Okay, but there is no brand details and no image detail as well. Okay, you can see. Okay, so for that we are required to update the brand details. We are required to attach that brand relation that we have created, and along with that we will also connect the images relation. Okay, we also want to show the image of the product, so that's why we will add both the relation, both brand as well as the image. Okay, so we are going to modify our query once again. So this is the query that we are going to modify, and here in the index controller index function we are going to modify the query. This time we will make it like this, and once again we will make it small. And now we are going to check here. I'm going to refresh here and we'll see both brand as well as the image detail is coming, but we don't have the image. Let's add few images of for the product as well. Okay, let's add few images for the blue t-shirt here. See, I will just check if we have the blue t-shirt images like we have added earlier also. Okay, so these blue t-shirts we are going to add. Click on submit and we will add these blue t-shirts just for the testing purpose. Okay, and also we are going to add few red t-shirts as well. I'm going to check if we have the red t-shirts here, or we can simply download, I think. Okay, red t-shirt, we can simply download the red t-shirt for the testing purpose. Okay, just we will add it, save it, red t-shirt. And anywhere else, if you able to search for some t-shirt and can able to download that t-shirt. Okay, like this one, red t-shirt. Okay, so now we will just add these red t-shirts as well. These two t-shirts we will add here and will submit here. Okay, so now we can refresh here to see that yes, brand as well as the t-shirts, these images array is also coming here. Okay, you can see that we able to fetch the brand as well as the images. Okay, for both the products, so it's fine. Okay, so now we can simply comment this one, and now we can simply update that. Now this div we are going to update. Okay, this new products div we are going to update in index blade file. In the for each loop we are going to see here, you can see first one is for the new level products. I will simply will mark it like this. Okay, new products, new levels, new levels, new levels. You can see there are 4 products. Okay, uh, here I will go down and here you can see in new level 1 2 3 4, these 4 products, but we just require one. Rest we can remove. We will just add the for each loop for that. These three products are not required, and this one we will replace with our code that is having the for each loop, the dynamic code. Just we have added the new products we have returned as an array from our index function, and we will loop through that, and we will show the images, and also we will show the brand name, product name, and the final price and the discounted price as well. Okay, so here we will now check that we able to see these 2 products here, but there is, I think there is some issue has come. Let's undo that and make sure that we will put it at the right place. Okay, so once again I'm going to check here this code. This one is you can see div class filter grid wrapper. Okay, so we are required to see that where we are required to update. This one is new arrivals. Okay, a new arrivals product, and where to add that for each loop. For each, okay, so this one. Okay, so you can see the for each loop, this one is the code, and for each. Okay, see, first 2 things we have added wrongly. Okay, so now we are going to replace this one. This one we have also replaced this one, so that's why issue was coming. So now we will replace this, and we'll see now. uh, Now it will must be fine, and you can see new level products are coming. See, 2 products are coming. Actually there is the image are of different sizes, so that's why it is coming like this. But otherwise these 2 products you can able to see both the products are coming here. Okay, so you can able to see actually this product is having more white space, so that's why it is coming like this. Okay, uh, but if you will see the image here, here you can see the difference. Okay, this one is fine and this one is not fine, because this one is having the more white space, and also the, I think the blue t-shirts having the same issue. This is having the more white space. Okay, so we can simply download the images of same sizes, like this one we can remove, and this one we can remove as well, that are not accurate. But we can keep these other t-shirts, we can keep, like if I am going to modify this blue t-shirt, I am going to modify it. Okay, so here we are going to remove this product. Yes, delete it. Okay, so we will just keep this product, and now we are going to check here, and now it seems to be fine. Okay, it seems to be better. Okay, later on we will we will download the images of the same sizes. Okay, then it will be fine. Okay, uh, now you can see the new Ravel products are coming, and here in all as well, here in new Ravel products as well. Okay, so now we are going to make the best sellers dynamic. Okay, so for the best sellers, let's follow the further steps to make the bestseller dynamic. First, we are going to add its checkbox in the admin. Okay, so we are going to add its checkbox in add edit product. Here we are going to add its checkbox after the feature products. Feature checkbox we have already added earlier, and here we are also going to add checkbox for this bestseller, and let's check. Okay, so it has been added. Now after that, we are going to uh, update it in add edit product function as well. So I'm going to open the product controller, add edit product function, and here we are going to add after, yeah, it's already added there. Okay, you can see the bestseller product condition is already added there, so it's fine. And finally we are going to add its query in the bestseller query in an index controller. Here we will write here get bestseller products. Okay, so this one we are going to return here, and finally we are going to update the index build function with the bestseller products. Okay, so we are going to modify here as well. See, after that we can see able to see the bestseller products are coming. Okay, so we are going to remove the three bestseller products, just one is required, so that we can add the for each loop like it has been added here. So we're going to replace this db with this one, and now we're going to see the bestseller products as well. So here you can see no bestseller product so far, but we are going to make one of the product as the bestseller. I'm going to make. Okay, and now I'm going to refresh here, and we'll see bestseller product is also here. Okay, these are the new levels, and this one is the bestseller. Okay, so we able to see the bestseller products as well. So we will continue working on the home page, and in the next part we are going to work on the discounted products as well as the feature products. So please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.